Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today's video is going to be about this little guy that I've heard so much about. This little wonder, that people have been talking about so much that I had to buy this. Now, this is called Olivia Pancake, yeah, and is 100% waterproof. So, new formulation Olivia. It comes in a package like this, golden and very loud black and very loud golden and yellowish package. So that's what it says, Olivia Pancake, 100% waterproof. Now they say it is 100% waterproof. You even if you sweat or you go out, it will not go. Let's see, if it really means what is written. So it comes in a cardboard package like this, and at the back, this pancake is specially formulated with ISI approved material to provide protection to your skin from pollution and light rays. So they say it is SPF also. Apply Olivia pancake with a damp sponge evenly and keep the sponge clean and dry after the use for external use only. Now my package was manufactured in 5/17, so which is May 17, and it could be used before 24/20, which is April 20. So we've got about close to 2 years. Yeah, the packaging is really okay. I mean, we've got nothing to do with the packaging. So this is what the packaging looks like. Yeah, and my shade is neutral beige 25. So let's open the wonder box and see what it is like. So it comes in a package like this. Yeah, it's made of course plastic, not very sturdy, but okay. And it says Olivia waterproof pancake. Now this is how it is. It comes with a sponge, which is not very good material. It is like a mosquito net, and then there is a separator which is plastic and which separates the product from the cap and the sponge. This is what the material looks like. I've kind of used it, and probably that's the reason it's gone like this. Now it's very hard, extremely hard. Even if I tap it, nothing comes on my finger. Yeah, see, there's nothing on my finger. And even if I try to knock it with my nails, yes, then you get a couple of things there. So let's see if it really works. Let's try it. So keep watching. So I've tied up my hair, and let's just get into the video. Okay, so this is the final look. Yes, I'm only wearing Olivia, nothing else. So yes, it has given a beautiful coverage. It does not give you any, it's hidden all the patches, though I don't have many. But yeah, it's giving you a good coverage. So what they say, I think they claim it right. Yeah. Yes, But if you have an oily skin, it is good for you. If you have normal skin, I'm sure it is good for you. But I have an extremely dry skin, extremely dry. So I would say you have to, put on thick layers of moisturizers, extremely thick layers of moisturizers, and then try using the product. Because if you see, it's a little cakey, it's a little, um, rough or powdery, I would say. But the feel for now is good. I'm sure it is good. But I can't promise if it's going to stay long, stay good for a longer time. Say it says 12 hours wear. So I'm not sure if it is going to be really that good. But for now, yes, the coverage is beautiful. It has come out good. I mean, I don't think you need any powder or anything else to conceal it or to save it, to make it stick there. Now, I have not used any concealer. I've just used this one and I haven't used two coat. It's a single thing. You can always build it up if you really need. But because if you have a dry skin, I would suggest do not build it up. Just use it on a very lighter, consistency or a lighter shade. Shade as in a coat. And I think it should give you a good result. Again, thumbs up for oily skin and normal skin, but dry skin, it's a little, I think, Mr. Olivia needs to work out a little more. And yeah, so overall, I would say I'm gonna give it a thumbs up. In case you haven't subscribed to my channel, please make sure you subscribe so that we stay connected and we make a big happy family. Okay, so see you soon. Till then, you take good care of yourself. Love you all. Bye bye.